What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're going to show you how to use that Mini MX by Moza. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come, of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and a bunch of reviews just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca, and here we go. And today, finally, the Moza Mini MX is finally released. You can go ahead and click the link down in the description below if you want to get yourself one. But today we're going to go in depth on what it could do. We're going to look at the app and how well it does. If you haven't seen the unboxing video and my initial review of this product, go ahead and I'll link that down in the description below as well, so you go ahead and check that out. In that video, we showed you what it comes with in the box, and also the initial review and initial setup to use the Moza Mini MX. Without further ado, let's look at the app. The Moza Mini MX automatically connects to your phone. So once you've already paired it, it'll automatically connect. Now let's go through the menus. So here you'll see a lot of camera modes and also lens settings, output formats, flash, turn it on and off, anti-shake, manual mode. You can also calibrate and have frames, filters on this, zebra patterns, full screen preview, reference line, sound master. There's a lot of options here that you can use. And if you just messed up the settings, you can also reset it. You can change the camera from front to back right there. And they have this special feature where you can have a follow mode, horizontal adjustment, and a lot more. With the Mini MX, you can also have time lapse. You can also have this feature where it follows a certain spot that you selected on the screen, just like that. So this also has face recognition for those people who are using it for vlogging. Talk about vlogging, you can use this in portrait mode as well. So you Another feature you could do is use the stand and put it on the ground and use a motion time lapse. This is where you do a time lapse and it moves and pan out the area that you set it to. So that's pretty cool. Now the other feature that the app also has is the presets where it moves by itself. So you could take B-rolls, what they call this, and you don't need any skills or anything like that. You'll be able to just click capture, pick the preset you want and click capture, and you'll be able to capture B-rolls without any effort. We're gonna go ahead and just pick one of these presets and see how well we do.
No.
COVID naman. Wanna try this one?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. So look at this. Forward.
You have to go
So we
forward.
have to walk.
Okay.
Okay. I need 18 seconds of forward. But then I wanna capture this whole thing as I walk that way.
Okay.
Okay. And here's the final result. So what do you think of that? So I personally think the Moza Mini MX is really cool device. It's also quite cheap, to be honest. I'll link this down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. Click the link and see how much it is. I'm not going to tell you right now, but it's a surprise. If you want to buy this, this is also an affiliate link, so this will help out the channel if you buy one yourself. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. That's basically the main features of the Moza Mini MX. And there's a lot more that this device can do. For such a small price and such a small device, you can also do a lot of things with it, and you don't need a separate device, or you just use your main smartphone and this would be good to go. Comment below what you think of this device, if you're gonna buy one yourself or not. Hit the like button so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell, so you could be notified of the next videos or next reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Stay safe out there. Peace.